Audio Jungle.
The new Audi Q6 e-tron is finally here. Following our test of a near-production Q6 e-tron prototype in July 2023 and reveal of the handsome cockpit with all its digital screens, we finally have all the details. The mid-sized Audi Q6 e-tron SUV has broken cover, previewing the next chapter in the German brand's growing electric vehicle portfolio. This upcoming model uses the premium platform electric PPE chassis developed with Porsche for use throughout the Volkswagen Group, including the Porsche Macan Electric. Under the skin of the Q6 e-tron is Audi's premium platform electric architecture, shared with the Porsche Macan EV and used here for the first time with Audi badging. It's an 800-volt system incorporating two electric motors with bias towards the rear in both power and vehicle weight. For the US market, the SUV launches with two powertrain configurations. The Q6 e-tron produces an Audi estimated 422 horsepower. That figure climbs briefly to 456 horsepower, enabling the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. These SUVs are fitted with a 100 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, and Audi states that they are calculated to have more than 300 miles of range, based on the EPA test cycle. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.